feature in Canva. For this, firstly, you have to select any random template. Let's say I'm searching Instagram here, and I choose this option Instagram post. Then just click on create a blank Instagram post here. Here, firstly, you have to insert a picture. Let's say I insert this cat here. Just go to photos and you will get a lot of pictures. Here, let's say I select this one. Now to use the magic edit feature, firstly you have to click on the image, then click on edit photo option right here. Here you will see multiple options. From this you have to select magic edit. Now you have to select the brush size and just fill this object with the brush this way. Just select this cat, whatever you want to edit, and in place of this, once you're done, click on continue, and here you need to put what you want this cat to be replaced with. Then Canva will work with artificial intelligence and generate the object for you. Let's say I type the dog here, then just click on generate, and it will take some time to generate the results. And here, as you can see, it has given multiple results, and it's so much accurate, like you can't really think it's been edited. It's so accurate with the help of AI. And even if you're not satisfied with the results, you can again click on generate new results, and it will again perform this action for you. This is a much useful feature, and you can use it for multiple purposes in image editing. So that's all for this video. If you want more videos like this, then you can always subscribe this channel and like and share this video. And if you have any doubts regarding this feature, or if you would like me to make video on something else, you can always type on in the comment section.